Hello everyone, welcome to SRBPS online classes. In this video, we will learn about the life of the people living in Delhi and Uttar Pradesh. Delhi. Delhi is the capital of India. Also, it is called the National Capital Territory of Delhi. Delhi is located on the banks of river Yamuna and it shares its boundary with Uttar Pradesh on the east and with Haryana on the other three sides. Delhi is a cosmopolitan city where people from all over India work and live. Delhi has only a small area left for agriculture. Here, most of the people work in government organizations or private companies, and a large number of people are also engaged in business. Delhi has many historical monuments like Red Fort, Jama Masjid, Qutub Minar, Old Fort, India Gate and Jantar Mantar. Let's have a look over these monuments. Lotus Temple and Akshardham Temple are also worth visiting. All the major Indian festivals are celebrated here, and apart from Hindi, Punjabi and Haryanvi, there are many other languages which are spoken here. Uttar Pradesh. Uttar Pradesh is a big state and Lucknow is its capital. The river Ganga, Gomti and Yamuna are the important rivers that flow through the state. Here, agriculture is the main occupation of the people, and the main crops which are grown here include rice, wheat and sugarcane. Many small and large-scale industries are situated in Uttar Pradesh. Major industries include shoes, metal, sugar and carpet manufacturing. Noida in Uttar Pradesh has become an important center of multinational companies. There are some other important cities of Uttar Pradesh. These are Agra, Kanpur, Allahabad, Meerut, Varanasi and Mathura. Hindi, Urdu and Bhojpuri are the main languages which are spoken here. Sari is the most common dress of women, whereas Kurta pajama is the common dress of men. Almost all the major Indian festivals are celebrated here, and the Taj Mahal, the one of the seven wonders of the world, is located in Agra.